Welcome back to Epicyarngems. This week we are going to do the single crochet two together decrease stitch. I'm going to start us off with a swatch here. I'm hopeful that you'll be able to see the stitches that I'm doing since I used a multicolor swatch this time. So just like a normal single crochet, you are going to go under the V, pull up a loop. Normally you would finish your stitch here, but we're going to go into our next stitch, pull up another loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. Again, let's take a look at that. We're going to go under our V, pull up a loop, 2 loops on our hook, go under the next stitch, pull up another loop, 3 loops on the hook. This is the same as our double crochet 2 together, but it's using a single crochet. So what we learned last week is the exact same thing, we just are doing it for the single crochet. So let's go through it one more time. We're going to go under our V, pull up a loop, 2 on the hook, through the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, please hit the like button and leave me some comments. Also, if you would like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. Have a great day!